Previously, in the Baja Bug Truck build, we mocked up the 002 bus transaxle to fit in properly, got it all welded up, sitting correctly, painted, fitted in there, moved on over to taking apart the 3x3 trail arms, cleaning them up, and painted as well. Getting everything in the rear end fitted back up correctly, and moving on. So in the last episode, we went and installed 930 stub axles so that we can move forward in installing these 930 CVs along with heavy duty axles. So that's what we're going to be tackling in this video, and then we'll also go ahead and paint the rest of the chassis black, getting it all painted up properly. Alright, let's get to it. So everything I've read said to pack these CVs solid with the full tube per axle. It seems a little excessive, but I went with it. Maybe one of you guys can tell me that I'm wrong, but yeah, it just seemed a little excessive. Maybe you are supposed to use the whole thing, but yeah, had to do a lot of cleanup of extra grease slopping around everywhere. Getting these fitted up properly was a little tricky at first, but once I got a couple bolts in there, went it pretty easily. Fitting up these boots that came with the kit were kind of a pain in the butt. I'm still not too happy with the way they sit. Maybe there's better ones out there, I'm not too sure, but for now they're going to be alright. I'm going to start digging in and see if I can replace these eventually. It just seems like they want to slide off the CV even with the clamp on there, so we'll see how it sits and see if they hold. But yeah, may look for something better in the future. Alright, and just like that, axle's fitted. So I'm happy the way they came out, although these boots, I'm just not happy with the way they sit or the way they look. So if anybody has any recommendations on something better, let me know. But as of right now, both have pretty good play. You want to have play within your axles so that they don't bind up when your suspension rides up and down. They don't bind or fall out. Now that we have the rear end all finished up, we're going to go ahead and move on to removing the front beam and prepping the chassis to get painted black. So if you ever take your front beam off with just your transaxle mounted in place, it acts as a great countermeasure for you to pull up your chassis like this and knock all the rust out of the tunnel. So it actually worked pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and move on to prepping the chassis and getting it all sanded up and roughed up a bit to get a coat of black paint on the chassis. All right, Let's get to it. Man, I got to tell you, it feels absolutely great to get this thing painted, actually, one solid color. Going to go ahead and move on to stripping down the front beam, prepping it up, and painting it as well. All right, and that's it. We got the axles all mounted in place, the chassis all painted up, and I even put the front tires on backwards. So I'm super happy the way it came out. There's definitely some things that still need to be fixed and worked on for the chassis, but moving forward, in the next video we're going to go ahead and get the engine mounted and hopefully running. So if you want to see that, go ahead and follow along, and yeah, that's going to be it for this one. See ya!